y'all, it's your girl Sierra Cherie Official, and I am back with another official motherfucking video. I am looking good as fuck. We are about to go to a Friendsgiving. You've probably seen my friend Michelle in, I think, my Nobu vlog. She might have been in, like, one other, but she invited me to a Friendsgiving with her and one of the girls that I work with. So it just kind of worked out. So this is what I have on. I'm about to stand this up so y'all can see the full fit. My boots, I actually have to get my ladder to get to the top of my closet, but let me hurry up because I still have to stop by the liquor store. My vanity is a mess. I can't wait to get my new one. So I have on this two-piece set with this brown vest. I curled my hair while I did this little quick beat. I have my little earrings on, and this is the Beauty Forever wig. After I added the layers, and yeah, so I'm about to go get my boots, spray my perfume on, and go. I think I'm gonna do this little product. I have so many perfumes to re-up on, y'all. I don't know if I want to use this because I can't really put it on my clothes. It's one of the ones that you kind of just... So we're not going to use that right now. We're just going to go with Louis. I need to go get this refilled. I got so much to do. So much to do. But this has good retention, so I don't really have to bring it with me. And that's why I ain't got no perfume now. So I'm gonna leave that here. And it started at 8. Well, she told me it was at 8. Then she texted me and said 8:30 because they were running behind. It's 9:30 right now. She said people are like, well, I asked her if anybody was coming yet. I still forgot my fucking ladder. But yeah, like I was saying, it started at 8:30 and it is now like 9:30 something. I literally only wore these boots like 3-4 times max, y'all. So this is what we're looking like. You know, kind of chill. I have my boots on, and yeah. So this is definitely a better view of what I have on. But let me go. I'm about to clean my lens off real quick too. I'm just laughing right now because and it's kind of a good thing and a bad thing that I make fun out of my trauma, because But imagine the best thing that you got out of a relationship is some fucking boots. Hey, I can't. But we are about we're about to go to the liquor store. So one of the girls that I work with, besides the girl that's hosting the Friendsgiving, she has Carisha Please. So green champagne. I don't know. It says Green's champagne, but in one of the pictures they have a bottle of Hennessy, so they should probably have. I'm thinking I'm gonna get some Reposado, probably Don Julio. Oh, this right up the street. Damn, I'm not gonna make it though. They close at 10. Towers. I know where that's at, but I ain't gonna make it. I'll call y'all back. So I am in here. I'm in the whiskey section right now. I'm looking for tequila. Where can I find the Don Julio Reposado? Oh, behind the counter. Oh yeah, y'all gotta make sure that nobody come in here taking. Can I get a bottle of that, please? The one bigger than that one, yeah. Yeah, that one. Thank you. Thank you, you too. So I got the goods. Now let's go around. Okay, now let's see how far I am from the place where... Oh, we only 8 minutes. Cool. That was perfect. The lights in my shit just look so bomb. So...
Just click the mute button again. Oh, it's muted. Oh.
Say hey, Z. Everybody say hey. Hey.
Right. That's hard. Like, no, I want to agree.
Sorry. Get back, Ty. Wait, no, y'all both are in the cameras. I gotta show the cook sauce. This is Ty. Y'all know Michelle.
Cooking by Ty and Michelle.
Yes, ma'am. This looks so good, y'all.
I know, right? I just sat there. I was like, wait, we were waiting all day.
Give it a shot. Z said she ain't playing.
I'm hungry.
like the teachers and stuff try to talk to you, the coaches and everything.
It's nothing. You can don't call my phone no more. Whatever you're doing, that's if you're not taking a shot right now, you're boring. Nah, let me stop.
You know what else is good when you
Wait until y'all get ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Take a shot if you have your own sex tape. How many shots we getting?
we taking shots.
Who got a shot? Oh!
Okay, I had a little drip, but I put it.
I need my shot.
What about if it's deleted already, though?
Hey! I made movies.
What if it's deleted already, though?
Give me your cup.
I got liquor in here. I got a whole shot.
She's saying
That's a shot, ain't it?
Yeah. Let me take her get a shot. Take her fucking baby to the shot. I knew we was all on the movie.
made this shit. Is that not? Okay.
Carisha must have had some time.
I guess the treating is like those boric acid things you was telling me.
Yeah, I do boric acid, but that's not self-treating.
The shot is someone old.
They owe me. They owe me some. Yo, run me my money. Who's Cassie's attorney? Who's Cassie's attorney? I need them ASAP. I need my money in 24 hours. I need my money in 24 hours.
He can't really.
Brother Love came up with these questions.
Probably did. Take a shot if you shitted on yourself.
I ain't never shit on myself.
Okay, listen.
I pissed on do that shit. But trust me, I fought it to the sweat and bullets.
I did on myself before, but I never shitted on myself.
I hear the stories of those people who have shitted on yourself. No, listen. Okay, I had to work day shift and like they was like, no, listen. They was like, you're not there on time, like you can't work. I need to get some fucking money, so I just had Chipotle and shit like right.
Chipotle gonna do it.
So I was like, okay, I kind of felt myself having a shit before I left, but it was like one of them like I could hold.
Yeah, you can hold it. Whoa, you
I
can't.
get to the second light, I'm in here like with my ass. Bro, my ass cheeks, I was so fucking hard.
No.
I got the door, the fucking key. Wait,
When you get to the door, it get worse.
It's like your sister be knowing where the hell you at.
That shit like, bitch, we not getting to the toilet.
It's like your system be like, okay, we at home, so shit.
So I
It
had
don't matter if we not at the
in front of
bathroom.
the garage, and I still had to walk to the door. I'm sitting here like,
You trying to hold your ass together?
bro,
Hey.
that's doing so much. Oh my god.
What did you do?
It was like, yo,
What
never
you do when
again.
you went in the house,
No,
Z?
but like you just be
Just strip naked, go to the shower.
Over this shit. Mine is worse. I was in Vegas.
No.
Oh, the strip, not the strip. Hey, I
We didn't even know.
think the strip is okay.
And I went to eat some tacos and it was like 120
See?
degrees outside.
Mexican food again. That's two people.
And like the big picture of that liquor that you get on the strip.
Yeah.
So I'm walking, I'm like, what the fuck is that? I'm like, man, all right. And it's like 120. I'm like, what? And she's like, my friend's like, are you okay? And then my butt was like,
That's how it be.
so then I was like, you heard that? She was like, girl, what the hell's going on your ass? So then it was like brown spots just dripping from the
Oh my God.
I'm running through the towers. Because at the hotel, we had like 5 or 6 towers. I'm like, shit. And then
Okay. Cheers to that.
Oh, wow. You never did it? No. Yeah, you have. You just didn't know. Oh, I went to trapeze. I went to trapeze.
Where is it?
Yeah, I went to trapeze. That was mad fun. I ain't even gonna hold you. What did I say? No, but let me tell you what happened. Time out. This nigga, no, this motherfucker. Hold on, that bitch was wicked. I said, hold up, time out. Oh, they was getting it in, and then we switched, and then I was looking like,
Where is
ain't no
it?
way, girl. It's like, where is that shit? Like, yeah, it's like in a really weird area. But let me tell you, when I pulled up that night, it was Ferraris, all type of crazy shit out there. They was in that bitch.
Have y'all been to the downstairs of Tokyo Vanity?
No, I
want to go.
Take a shot if you fuck someone's man/woman to make them mad.
I done did that.
She was like, bitch, you
Cause
tried.
bitches be thinking shit sweet. And I gotta show somebody. I done stepped out of that, but you know, I done been there, done that.
What? Being petty.
Yeah, being petty, for sure. Let me show you something.
On a bitch like a week ago.
Let me show you something. Already?
Who's that?
No, I just went. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. You right. Take a shot if you had roaches in your house before.
Ooh. The roaches.
Maybe when I was a
I'm from up north. I'm from New Jersey.
Y'all never seen a roach in your house?
I'm from Jersey.
I feel like when I was
I'm
a
from
little
Jersey.
kid.
So,
never seen.
as soon as you said
I ain't
roaches,
seen
the
roaches
roaches
in a
was
minute.
like, bitch, you know you had roaches. You heard me. I swear my ears started
I ain't
ringing.
had them in a minute, but
I'm from Jersey.
I feel like when I was a little kid, I seen a couple of them critters.
Take a shot if you ever spit in somebody's face.
Spit in somebody's face?
I ain't never spit in nobody's face, but I be going to.
Time.
Take a shot if you
You about to go outside?
Never.
Take a shot if you ever got jumped.
Never.
Oh, I got jumped.
You
Like
got done before?
I never got jumped.
3
never had a
times.
reason.
Because when I used to be on Demon Time, you
What
knew
the
you had to come jump me. Because you knew I was gonna beat the shit out of you, but I'm not. You can't even get me to fight no more, Sierra. You saw me beat some shit.
Taking that shit out.
You cannot provoke me to do that shit. But my younger self, you had to jump me. If you didn't jump me, I was done. And I was not gonna stop.
Take a shot if you ever lick someone's ass.
Okay, I'm gonna take a shot.
I'm a nigga ass all the time.
I ain't never licked somebody's ass. I'm sorry.
I don't need to be drunk, but if I'ma dominate a nigga, oh, I'ma do it. I'ma turn you into a bitch tonight. Yeah, bend the fuck over, bitch. Hey, Todd, what I said the other night? Nigga kill me.
When you in the moment,